Happy Saturday. Yeah, they broke their swing. I don't know who it was, but I have my suspicions. Well, for today for the snack bar, that's Popcorn on the swing. Say hi, Popcorn. That's Angel. Angel. She lets me touch her now. Yeah, baby. Oh, baby girl. Yeah. Who's the baby girl? 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 Yeah, baby. Who's the baby girl? My baby. Yeah. So today on the snack bar we have, for the Birdie snack bar, we have their water. I give them bottled water. I've been giving it to them since I got them 2 months ago. And we have strawberries with millet. I just made it right now. Wow, that looks good. If I was a bird, I'd eat that up. So that's on the menu for today for the breakfast. Well, their little snack in the morning. They've been eating since 9 in the morning. So, yeah, look at that. Popcorn? You want me to push you on the swing? Yeah? Alright. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Popcorn! She likes it. She likes when I push her. Yeah. And she pushes herself when it's time to go to sleep. I don't know how she does it because I push her for the videos. I push the swing. I never seen her in the daytime do it. Well, as long as I'm here. So that's pretty mysterious, right? She's like, no comment. Oh, you pretty girl. And Angel. Angel. Baby. Oh, she wants to take her little nap. Right, Angel? 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 Oh, you poor baby. You sleepy? Yeah, she might be sleepy. They've been up since like 8. I heard them, and then by 9, they were really loud. And I woke up. Yeah, they got me up early. Look at Popcorn. She's waiting for me to push her. You want me to push you on the swing? Yeah? Yeah, you ready? You gotta get ready. Let's see. Let's back it up. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Popcorn. She loves it. Wow, Popcorn. Alright, well, happy Saturday, everyone. And Angel's ready for her little nap. Her little nappy nap. Yeah, my baby. And Popcorn's energized, as you can see. Yeah, I'm going to get him a new swing on Amazon right now.